I'm sure you've heard the news. Dental impressions just got a major upgrade. Here's how. Intraoral scanners are changing the game for dental professionals and patients alike. This handheld device captures 3D images of your mouth, teeth, and gums, offering unparalleled accuracy. No more messy, uncomfortable trays. Patients love the quick and easy scanning process. Plus, those digital impressions are spot on, helping dentists diagnose issues and plan treatments with precision. And the best part? It's super time efficient. Scans take just a few minutes and can be sent digitally to the lab, speeding up the entire process. With digital models instantly viewable, patient communication and collaboration are better than ever. You can even simulate different treatment outcomes, making decisions easier and more informed. Say hello to customized crowns, bridges, and Invisalign with a perfect fit and aesthetic. And with digital records, tracking oral health over time has never been simpler. Say goodbye to the old ways and embrace the future with intraoral scanners.